Okay, guys, let's start. It's for the extra marks. If you want to take extra marks, you can do this. I will check and I will put. Okay, for the edit page, coefficient will be just 1x. Let's start. Let's open idle. Let's create new file. Control N. Let's just close this one. Press L. Let's save it. We will save to the desktop. Let's say extra py. Okay. Now let's let's start from the beginning. Size 1. Write program that repeatedly asks the user for a number until they enter a negative number. The program should then print out the sum of all the positive numbers entered. Okay, now guys, you need to create one variable, let's say number, or let's say just some someone. We will equalize to the 0. Then you need to use while loop, while true. Yeah, you need to take input from the user, and let's say user should enter some number. Yeah, int numbers, as you remember, should be int input. Let's say enter number. Okay, okay. If number will be less than 0, yeah, break, because it will be, if number will be less than 0, it means that negative number. Else the otherwise, just add the number which entered by user. Just add, we should add this someone plus equal this num. Then you will just print out the someone. For user, print out, let's say enter some of the positive numbers entered. There's numbers entered. Let's say colon, then comma. We need to print out someone. Let's run it. Let's enter 1 2 3 4 5. Let's say 45 23 12. Let's right now enter the minus number. Let's see, it will give us just the sum of all positive numbers. That's it. Let's continue. Let's make it comment. As you remember, shortcut is Alt3. Let's continue with exercise 2. Write program that asks the user from a password and keep asking it until they enter the correct password. Open this. When they enter the correct password, the program should print out a message saying access granted. Okay, it means that you need to just use while true loop. Yeah, while true. By the way, guys, when you are using the boolean means true and false function. Yeah, you must use capital letter true. You must take input from the user, just string. That's why you must just use input. Let's see, password. Yeah, password is equal to input enter the password. Okay, if password will equal to the open system, yes, we must break. Yeah, break, not you must print out the access granted, then print, then break, sorry, print. Let's we will copy short, then break. That's it. Why we are using the break? If if you will not use that break, our program will ask from the user again. Even the password will becomes true. Even the user will enter this sentence, it will start to ask again. That's why we must use break. Okay, let's test it. Now let's say 9A, 9B, or let's say password, just password, or Aitmatov. As you see, it will asks again. Let's say now open access granted, and our program is just break. Okay, let's continue. Size 3. Now write a program that print out the first 10 even numbers using a while loop. Okay. Let's say num is equal to 0. Then we must open count. Let's say count also will equal to the 0, while while count will be less than 10. Yeah. We must increase, I must add 2 for the odd num each time. Then print, yeah, print our number. Then you must increase count by 1. That's it. It will print out first just 10 even numbers, first 10 even numbers. Okay, let's continue. Exercise 4. Now write program that takes a number from the user and print out the multiplication table up to 10 using while loop. Okay, it means that you must take a number from the user. Yeah, is num is equal to, it should be input to the number. As you know, you must again open the counter. Let's we will start from 1. This time, before we use 0, I will explain when we will use 0, when you will use 1. Okay, right now. Now while count or counter will be less than or equal to the 10, you must print out each time, as you remember multiplication tables, each time you must print out that numbers which you want. For example, if user will enter 5 times 1, 5 times 2, blah blah blah. Yeah, that's why you must print out the numbers each times, then multiplication symbol, then count number which will multiply number or number, sorry, then equal sign, then you will just multiply number to the count. Okay. Then you must increase counter. Yeah, count plus 1. That's it. Let's run it. Let's 5. That's it. Okay, I will explain. I will explain. As you see, we just entered one number. Enter a number. Sorry, let's see. Let's see. This time we can just do 6. Okay. Then 6. As you see, we have the number, then x symbol x, then 1 count. As you remember, right now it's 1. Yeah. Then num times count. It becomes 6. Then next time when it will end this command, our counter will increase by 1. Right now our count is equal to the 2. Then num times 2, yeah, num or is 6, yeah, 6 times 2, and it will become 12, and it will continue till 10. Now let's close. Let's make it comment. Write program that print out the first 10 odd numbers using a for loop. Actually, I have a lot of way for the print out 10 numbers. You must use for loop, okay? 6. We have for I in range function, as you remember, for the printing out the first just it's or 5 equation 5, sorry, 5 odd numbers. Let's print out the odd numbers. It should start from 1, yeah, till 20. Then our increment should be 2. That's it. Print I. Each times or I will increase by 2, and it will print out for us 10 odd numbers. First 10 odd numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you see, let's make it a comment. Let's continue. Write program that takes a list, a number, and print out their sum using for loop. Actually, you can just use list. Okay, let's have num. Inside the number have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's 12. And 4. You need to open the counter for I in num. Then just C plus I is print C. Let's result. It will print out for us just sum of this all list. 27. That's it. Let's continue. Let's make it comment. Write program that takes a string from the user and print out each character on new line using a for loop. Okay, you must take a input from the user, a string input. Let's say in not let's say text. Okay, text is equal to input. Let's say enter text. Then for I in text t print uh, print I. That's it. Let's say we'll write some name. Let's say Yunus. Okay, it will print out each character of the new line. That's it. Let's start exercise 8. Write a program that takes a list of the words and print out all the words that start with the letters A using a for loop. We will create the list which includes some words which will start with A and another letters. Let's say apple. We have which will start from the A, then which will not start from the letter A. We have banana. Also we have avocado. Yeah, avocado. I have also what here. Also we have what kind of the for the A we have, let's say, apricot. Yeah, apricot. Yeah, I think it's enough. Now for I, or you can write what you want. You can create any variable in here. Actually, let's say I'm gonna write just word. For word in you must use list one. Yeah, if as you remember, we have the built-in function start with you can find that function from WC School Python string methods. If word, let's say word that starts with a, just print just that word. Okay, should work, I think. Okay, I had a mistake. Start start or start with the okay, start with that's it. Let's continue. Last one. Let's make it comment. Exercise 9. Write program that takes number from the user and the print out is multiplication table up to 10 using a for loop. It's like same with the question 4. In question 4 we will use just a while loop. In here you need to use the for loop. Okay, number int input, you have to take input from user. Enter a number. For I in a range from 1 till 11, it will start from 1 till 11. It will not include the 11. Okay, then you must print each times that number, yeah, number, then comma, then x, then comma again, then I, equal sign, I, comma, equal sign, then again comma, then I must multiply number with the I. Yeah, that's it. Let's enter the 5 again. Okay, that's it, guys. Please make a video, record your screen, then upload that your video to the YouTube or any platform what you want. Then please share with me the link from the edit page.